chief of army staff to President Muhammadu Buhari, Ibrahim Gambari, has told newsmen that the 21 billion naira clinic to be built at Aso Villa will cater for the health needs of visiting heads of state too. So to justify that, it will take care of them. It will take care of them, but it will not take care of Buhari. But Buhari will still have to go outside the country. Are they going to pay? The clinic or the hospital that Buhari goes to visit in the UK, is it for free? So if all those head of states of other countries, if they come to Nigeria, will they pay? Is it not for free? And Buhari is not going to use it. Gambari made this known at the ground-breaking ceremony held in Abuja on Monday. Gambari said, "This is an essential facility because we have to have the best facility for the president, the first family, and other very distinguished senior officials of government. But Nigerian people, anywhere where they lie, where they put their head. Hi, oh, wow. It is also a facility that, when finished, will be at the disposal of visiting dignitaries who may require medical assistance during their visits." A statement issued by Abiodun Oladunjoye, Deputy Director Information, further quoted him as saying that nobody will remember much that we say, but generations to come will remember what is done, which is to begin the process of constructing what will be first class state of the art facility, which will be best and appropriate for the leadership of this country. Now, so they're going to talk 60 things. Ask him whether himself can go there to receive treatment. Ask him. They want to borrow money for this, borrow money for this. If all of those money they are borrowing, that you can see the effect, not that using substandard things, at the end of the day, in no distant time, you will not even be able to talk about it again. But it will be on record that they have done XYZ. That is what they always do. What have they done that has even stand the test of time? Ask yourself. See the train that they are shouting, hey, this and this and this and that. Less than 3 years, it started having problem. And before you know it again, that is a conduit they are going to be using to siphon money. They will use it to siphon money. And before you know it, it will stop working. Someone must have something to say. So other families should go and die. That is it. They don't even care for the Nigerian people. The best for the Buhari. At the end of the day, he will not use it. He will not go near it. They will still be telling them, go abroad. Why are you using this kind of hospital? Just like they told Aisha Buhari when she got there. Even that statement that woman made alone, that even ordinary paracetamol could not be found in Aso Rock, they ought to have heads ought to have been rolling, or heads ought to have been rolled, but nothing will happen. They will just say, I forget. The woman let her talk. Make we face another thing. That is what they do. And people have been complaining about that Aso Rock clinic. They want to get this, they want to get that. At the end of the day, you will not hear anything again. Until maybe after some days or after some years, you will not be wondering, oh, they said they are going to do something like this, but how to know avail? To give account will be problem. It is really laughable. Other heads of states from other countries will attend if they need. Oh my God, where Buhari cannot even use. A place where Buhari cannot use, you expect other country leaders to come there and stay. Thieves, judgment from above await all of you. Best for the president and his guests, why Nigerians that are working for the money dies in hundreds daily for even just headache and malaria. What a country. They don't have provision. Like I've always said, they will make budgets, all those budgets that they always make, they will be carrying useless and rubbish box here and there. They want to approve a budget. You as a person, you that you are listening to me, you think you are part of the budget. You are not part of the budget. You are not. And a lot of people will argue back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Even if they tell you that you are part of the budget, nothing will happen. You are not going to see anything. They will just say it for saying sake. Visiting presidents when your own people are dying of malaria. The question is that even with the president himself, will the president himself attend the hospital? Has he ever attended? Why Buhari going out for medical treatment? My CV would be ready to work there. Like seriously? What about other citizens? So only senator, governors, and ministers would are special human beings that will be done, but will not be able to treat your own president. Sakia. In the whole history of Nigeria, how many foreign heads of state fell sick while visiting Nigeria? That is the problem. That is the problem. Hope this will not be another white elephant project that will end up in vandalism. Good about that. If it really worked out to be achieved, then Reno Omokri must have done a wonderful approach and needed to be praised. For where they will do nothing, forget it. They will do nothing. A lot of bottlenecks here and there. They will do nothing. These are the things they know that it will gladden the people who are still gullible to listen to them, to believe them. They will want to say this because these are the things that those people want to hear, and those one will believe it just like that. Believe it to your own peril. Nothing will happen. Nothing. I say nothing will happen. Nothing. They will do nothing. They're just doing it, just saying it, just for you. You'll be happy. Just like somebody say, he will use his CV to work there. If you continue to believe these people, that is to your own disadvantage. Continue from where your predecessor Abakari stopped. Don't waste our 21 billion naira to build another clinic at Aso Rock. There is one there already. Another white elephant project. This time you will go to Afghanistan to borrow the money. The facility should be at the doorstep of every Nigeria that has the resource to pay for its service. That is our way of reducing the perils of medical tourism and its attendant drain in national resource. Thieves, you travel abroad for treatment, now you want to steal more money. God will surely punish all of you and your generation. And like I've been saying, I don't know whether there are some people who are really in control of this country, that whether these people that we just see that just mere people that go back to relate things back to them, because I see no reason why these people who at their old age, they were young when this country was going haywire, now they have the opportunity to be there to right the wrongs. I'm sure they had a different mindset while they were young, but now they are there. Now they are still not doing what is expected of them, still rigmaroling and moving around circles. Now God will save us for this country. So guys, let's hear your opinion on this.